All right. We are on our home lake today. I say lake, it's more like a pond. But let's see if we can catch some. It's quite windy. Nice, let's go. Let's go. Thanks, bro. Off he goes. Good eat right there. Didn't really blow up on it, just kind of swirled on it. Flip it at this point. I feel like I got hit. I couldn't tell though. That was a better hook set though. That was not nice. That was not clean. Just broke off on whatever the freak that was. There it is over there. Just jumped. Still in his mouth. Got one. Fell off in the boat. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Chill out, bro. Little man. There's another one. Dang, he's a fighting. He's fighting good. Right in my net, boy. Right in my net. A little better fish. Look at him. Thanks, sir. Thanks for biting. Nice. Number 3 today. I'm gonna change out my trailer, I think now. Well, we'll see. Put it back into it. We got 3. Let's see if we can get more. Trying to learn the swim bait today. Not the swim bait, the swim jig. There we go. Finally found a bait that I can use the lake that I live in. There's another one. Little guy. Oh, flip. Oh, come here. There we go. Number 4. I really gotta stop with the pictures. I'm sorry, I can't help it. Pour his lip open. Sorry, bro. Have fun. You get to live another day. At least I'm not eating you. They are eating the swim jig today. Nice. Nice fish. Yes, sir. Just a little bit windy. A spinnerbait might be good, but I don't have the right size spinnerbait for this lake, so I don't know. I tried the chatterbait earlier. Nothing on it, so we're gonna keep throwing the jig. Oh, oh my gosh, no way! No way! Wow, right at the boat. Hit it so late I couldn't even set the hook. Popped right off. Wow. That little man wanted it too. Fish though, so we're doing pretty good for ourselves here. Maybe I'll try throwing the chatterbait with this. Oh gosh. Get off of that. Good call, Noah. Good call. Good call throwing the chatterbait. Oh my gosh. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh my gosh, that's a monster. Oh my gosh, that's a monster. Oh my gosh. Don't shake. Don't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Thank you for biting. You go off when you're ready. Thank you for biting. There she goes. All right, we are back on the water after catching that biggin. Ended up being a 6.1, like 7.4 or something, so 6.2 basically. Not as big as I thought it was actually. I guess I just gotta train my eyes when it comes to bigger fish, but I'll take it. I sure enough knew that I should throw a chatterbait right up that grass line, and caught me a good fish. My scale's broken on kilogram, so I had to wait and convert it. But definitely a good fish there. Super happy. Bigger, smaller than I thought. I was hoping it was a PB, but it's not. So I'm gonna have to keep trying to catch a PB. Need to beat 6.9. Maybe I should, actually throw the chatterbait now, because it's called a 6-pounder on it. But I don't know, because that was just a grass line, I think. I think I want to fish under these trees and 6 up here with a jig. That's not a bad fish. There's another one. Oh, come here. I can't do this. I suck. That's gonna be number. Uh oh. Get me out of the sticks. No. That's number 7, 8 today, something. I'll have to count. Right in the top of the mouth. Thanks, sir. Nice. We're killing it today. Absolutely killing it today. Sorry for your nose, bro. Thanks for the bite. Exactly where I knew they were gonna be. Huh. It's fine.